Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have episode 4 of my home tour series, the very last episode. This is where we're gonna go to the lower level and check out the basement. So this basement is mostly finished with a couple of storage areas, and it is a daylight basement where it has lots of light and a door where you can exit in and out. All right, so let's head downstairs and see what that looks like. So now we're gonna head to the basement, and it is this door right here underneath the stairs, right off the dining room. And so our basement is mostly finished. We do have a couple of areas that are not finished for storage, but for the most part, it's an entire apartment down here that is completely functional with its own kitchen, laundry, and bedroom and bathroom. So you come down here, and the first thing you see right here is a bedroom. The ceiling fan has got a couple of windows. It also has a space for a closet, but the way that the previous owners were using it, they actually had a dresser there and they kept it open to kind of make the room feel a little bit bigger. And we still have stuff here that we haven't put up or are rearranging right now. There's a door this way, and also one this way. So we come in here, and you can use actually this closet. This is a huge closet. And let's see, here we go. So I have some fabric there. We have a TV that we never put up. And this is another pretty big room with just random stuff in it that I probably need to go through and get rid of most of it. All right, so let's close this really quick. And then here is a complete bathroom. Big shower. There's a linen closet back here. This is a toilet area. There's an emergency phone in case anything happens to you on the toilet. And this table used to be upstairs, but we went ahead and brought it down to have something there because this wall was just so long and bare. Which you can take a better shot of the bathroom, but yeah, and so there's the sink and mirror. We don't use this bathroom very much, but it's nice having it down here. All right, so to the right of the stairs, there is this kitchen right here. And this couch we're trying to actually sell on Facebook Marketplace. Does anybody want a couch? And then this is another kitchen down here. It's complete with fridge, dishwasher, everything. Then it has outdoor access. And then this here to the right is actually like a living space, but we have our pool table here. It's nice and bright. It's got 3 windows right here, so it doesn't feel like a basement at all. And it's got a tray ceiling up there too, so the ceiling is actually pretty high. And my husband and I, we made that sign for the basement we put those LED lights in it, and they change colors. But yeah, this is where our pool table is. We haven't really done much down here because we have been so busy fixing the upstairs, the 2 floors above. We've kind of not done anything here. And so that's the hallway we came from. That's the stairs are like right on the other side of this wall. And then now there's more. We go down this hallway, and there's our air conditioning and all that stuff. And then here we have another laundry room, which is kind of nice to have down here. And then that's the hallway back that way. There's storage underneath the stairs right there. And then right in here we have, I'm kind of going through some stuff right now, so it's kind of a mess. But we got some kids' toys and stuff, and You see our Christmas decorations in the back and all that stuff. So we've been kind of going through a lot of stuff, and it looks like a mess right now because we've been getting rid of a ton of stuff we don't need. We've been making lots of Goodwill runs. So there's that room right there. It's actually pretty big. And then to the left is our workout room.
95, 96, 97, 98.
Really?
99, 100.
I thought you'd be like at, 191, 192.
That was my last set of 10, so 1,000.
You're so full of it. So anyways, this is our little workout room. This is where the Latino engineer gets fit for all these house projects. I don't know about that, honey. I think you got a little bit ways to go. So yeah, this right here is my favorite machine, which I need to start using back again. But we've been so busy fixing up this house, it's been kind of hard to work out. And we finally got everything situated the way we want to. So this is our little workout room. Now that all 3 kids are in school, I can get back to using this room. And here, this is just a hot mess, you guys. But I'm going to show y'all anyways, because this is like for real, right? We are all human beings, and not everything is perfect. So I will start by saying that this is my husband's room. This is where he stores all of his outdoor stuff. We've got the lawnmower and tools that he doesn't use that often, and it's kind of gross, but yeah. That is the last bit of the house. And yeah. So that is the tour of our entire house. All 5,120 square feet, I think it's what it is. So I hope you enjoyed it. All right, that is it. That is my final video of my home tour series. I thought it would be kind of fun to share, kind of what my house looks like, especially since you guys see me doing room transformations and home decor videos and, just lots of things around my house. I thought it would be kind of nice to share like what it all looks like put together. Now I have many more things to share with you all. I cannot wait to do so. We have a very big announcement coming up very soon, so please stay tuned. It's probably gonna really surprise you and knock your socks off. So make sure you hit like if you enjoyed this tour, subscribe so that you can see what it is that I am talking about that's gonna be coming your way. We are really excited, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.